Hello, welcome back. In this video we're going to promote our website, our drop servicing website on classified as websites or platforms for free, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can promote your business on Facebook for free. Okay, so we have just finished building our drop servicing website that looks like this, and we have a page, okay, a pricing page where they can purchase our services. Okay, where they can purchase our packages. Now we want to promote this in front of people who may be interested in this offer. So the first classified ad site I'm going to be talking about is Craigslist, which is very popular and has a lot of traffic. Okay, has a lot of traffic. So you can see US, Canada, Europe, and other places can post your services on here, and then people will start contacting you, and hopefully you make a sale. Okay, so all you have to do is to create an account on Craigslist, and after you create an account on Craigslist, then you make sure you post your services on this platform. All right, so then we go to Africa, and then you can see here Ghana. So I'll click on that because I'm in Ghana. That's why I'm clicking on Ghana. So we wait for it to load, and you can see Ghana. This is a page for Ghana. If you want to post your services here, you can do that. You can also post on other countries as well. So let's say I want to post my services on Ghana, like here on the Ghana column. I'll click on the Ghana, and after that I'll go to services, and then I can look at what is here and then do it. So here maybe computer category may be a good fit, or business category will also be a good fit. Okay, and you create an account, and then you start posting your services. Okay, so that's how you do that. So it's very simple. You create an account here by going to my accounts, and then you enter your details, and then create an account, and then post your service. The second website is Odle.com, which is a marketplace. Here you can also select the country or the location, United States, and you can also post your services here as well. All right, and you make sure you provide value on the platform, and then link to your website and what you offer. So you can start writing things about apps, okay, and talk about how important it is to have your own app. So just be creative and list your services on these platforms. All right, and the next one is classifiedas.com, which is also popular. You can create an account and post your service on this platform. Okay, and okay, that's the same website here. The next one is Gumtree. You can also register, post your services under your category. Okay, services, and maybe under businesses. You can also do that there. The next one is azclassifiedas.com. okay, they are also available in the US. You can see that. You can add your listings, you can register, log in, and then post your free services. Okay, all right, so the last one I'll be talking about is Facebook. Facebook also has a classified area. So when you go to Facebook and blue, you can see marketplace. When you click on marketplace, it will take you to classified as area, and people are here selling their things. You can also list your services here and you get traffic in that order. Okay, and there's something called the power of compounding. That means when you post your services for free on more than 100 classified as website, when everything comes together, you start getting order maybe once or twice or thrice or 5 times every week or month. Okay, depending on your seriousness level and how you provide value to these people. Okay, you can also start a YouTube channel and then start talking about things related to your service, and you get traffic in that order. So the next thing I want to be talking about is how to also promote your business on Facebook. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is to have or go to your personal Facebook accounts. Okay, and up here just click on it and then you type business owners group. Okay, so you are going to join Facebook groups that talk about business. Okay, and then make sure you read more and also take notice of the members in that group. All right, so the people here are business owners and they may be interested, or they may have website but may not have an app. And I'm saying an app because in my case I am using an app, or I'm offering an app service to these people. That's why I'm using an app. So also target your own audience. Okay, so you join the groups and start providing value to these people, and when they see you in authority, you can link it back to your website after you have provided some value. Okay, so that is it. You basically you just join groups and start talking about your services. Okay, and make sure you do not spam these groups. If not, they will remove you from the group. All right, you can also click on see more to see the groups in the business owners category. So let me wrap up by showing you how to add a WhatsApp chat system where these people will now start chatting with you on WhatsApp, and when you come to an agreement they will place an order, because they may not place an order straight away unless they know more about you first. So we're going to add a WhatsApp chat system just like this here. Okay, so just like this on our website. So make sure you open a new tab and type get button. Okay, so you type getbutton.io. Let me take you to that. All right, so you type getbutton.io. okay, type getbutton.io on your search box. Right, when you type that, you land on their web page and you scroll down and you see this WhatsApp icon. Just click on it and close the first one. After that, you enter your mobile number here, but don't forget to add your country code, that is plus. So country code, and then you enter your phone number. And after you enter your phone number, you can also enter your logo, but this is a paid thing. Before you can add your logo, you have to pay. And if you want your icon to be at the left hand side, you can do that here. If you want it to be at the right hand side, you can also do that here, and you enter here maybe WhatsApp as or message as. Okay, so you can add WhatsApp as or message as. In my case, I want to add WhatsApp as, so WhatsApp as, and then you enter your email here and copy the code. So make sure you enter your email here. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email here. This is just for testing. I'm not entering my real email here. Okay, I already have my code, so click on check. Okay, so they don't want fake emails, they want the genuine email. All right, so I'll enter my actual email. I mean, that's a URL of your website. Okay, I'm sorry for that. That's a URL of your website. So here you enter the URL of your website. Okay, so you enter the URL of your website here, and let's say this is the URL of my website, and then you can check to see it on a live preview. And after that, you can also come here below, and this is where the email thing comes into handy. So you enter your email here and then click on get button. After that, you copy this text and then you go ahead, go back to your website where you're going to be pasting, or where you're going to be. So we're going to now paste out. We are going to log into WordPress and then go to our dashboard. Okay, so go to our dashboard and then we go to pages. So let's wait for it, and we go to pages. So you see pages, go to all pages. Once you get there, make sure you edit it with Elementor again, because we're going to paste this code. So you open your home page, open your pricing page, and open the pages you want your WhatsApp chat icon to appear. So this is my home page loading. Let's wait for it. So once it loads, you go ahead and paste your code maybe below or any part of your web page. So make sure you scroll down, and we're going to take some, you see this HTML thing, copy it and paste it at any part of your web page. Okay, maybe on the header or any part you want, it does not matter. All right, so just paste it here, and after you paste it there, you come back to the code area and you paste your code. And after you paste your code, you can see it here already in action, and then you update the changes. So you wait for the changes to update and success, the same way you do to other pages. So here you also scroll down, and you see HTML. See this, just pick it and also drop it here. You can also drop it here. After all, it's not going to be visible at the front end, so just leave it there and also paste it here. So when you paste here, you see it's already in action. All right, and you update the changes, and after that we go back to view our website, and we can see that the WhatsApp chat is already active on our website. Okay, and here we go. So I hope this video has been informative, and this, you have just finished watching a complete course on how to create your own drop servicing website to start accepting online payment. If you don't have an online business today, go ahead and start implementing these steps, because I'm doing it myself, I'm doing it for my clients, people are doing it around the globe. So there's no excuse to wait and start complaining that there's no employment when you have employment at your fingertips if you already have a laptop and internet connection. I'm super excited to have you all here rolling in your numbers to watch this course. And if you are not a subscriber already, do me a favor by subscribing to this YouTube channel, because it helped me. This video took me like some number of days to make, and I've finished making the video, so I'm not going to release them online so you people can have access. Okay, but I hope you're already watching that, and because I've uploaded them already. All right, so bye bye and have a great learning experience. My name is Nyezinahsolomon.